If you have a coupon, launch ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now. Please pay. Please take your receipt.
There you go.
Thank you, brother.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you for your business.
Oh, they even give you an air freshener.
Hey, is that cool? That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hey, Dave. Let's come around here. I got somebody over here. Please remove your trailer hitches. Yeah, so don't snag that shit. The brushes. Okay, so I see where you pull in. Let's push in our mirrors. David, pull in your mirror. David. Plug your window. Hope this don't bottom out. Neutral?
Yes, sir. Neutral, no brakes, and no steering.
Okay. Oh, there you go, scrub it. Yeah, what's up?
That's nice.
Yeah, for $20, that's pretty good.
Feet off pedals. Oh shit, it brings you in by itself?
Yeah. Hold you low. You scream down the windshield. Keep your hands off, feet off pedals, hands off, wipers off. Does everything for a little bit of foam. Oh, the easy clean, right, Dave? Oh yeah. Wow, dude. Just like the Lux, it's a good car wash. Might get good ratings.
Yeah, keep this David.
Scratch off?
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, no way. They give you free scratch off? That'd make our day if we won $20.
Right?
The old days, that's how the car washes were. You put it in neutral and it pull you through it. That stuff now where that machine moves all the way around, the old days it wasn't like that. Oh, hot wax. Oh, yeah, at least they use a lot of soap. Can't say they use the soap. Boy.
Seems like a good car wash.
Yeah. That's noisy though. That's impressive. A lot of pressure. Hot wax, hot wax. Oh, here comes the wax. And the squiggly wigglies. Smoothing the wax around. Look, oh, it slaps even. Wah, wah, wah. Even slaps the wax on you. Here we go, we're going to make the wax on now.
Wow. Okay.
Ceramic clear coat protection. Oh yeah, okay. We'll see how well that works. Oh look, the blower's got little tubes on them, Dave. The blower's already working. Spits you out the other side. Wait. Wait. Still say wait. Says wait. That must be off because now it's
There you go.
Now it's go. Boy, the car even smells good outside, don't it? Oh, David. Go out here and see how good it washed. Oh, they got free vacuums too.
You gotta put the mirrors up.
Yeah. Okay, put the mirrors up, Dave. Oh, this one's straight in the mirror for me. Slap it. Is that one mirror all the way out? Okay. Guess we don't want a vacuum, do we?
I don't really.
You don't feel like vacuuming. Boy, they got, look at all the vacuums they got set up out here. Pretty cool. Look at that. Free vacuums. Must have like 30 of them out here. Yeah, this guy's cleaned his little Mercedes real nice. Cool.
Wait,
Yeah, I know. Gotta get to where triggers it though. Okay. Well, what do you think,
I
Dave?
guess we gotta go to the left. That says wrong way.
Oh yeah, this is one way. Yeah. What do you think, Dave? Pretty good car?